Your homepage is often the first impression people have of your site, and small changes can make a big difference. Let me show you how I used my AI agent to review my homepage and help me update and improve it. Before we get started, make sure your site is connected to an AI agent like Claude or ChatGPT. I've linked a setup video in the description if you haven't done so yet. Here is my current homepage that I want to modify, and luckily I have a sidekick to guide me along the way. To get started, I will ask my AI agent to review my homepage, including the first impression, and to tell me what's working and what could be upgraded or added to improve engagement and flow. The AI returns specific actionable feedback, not just general recommendations, but clear steps I can take. You can of course apply the ones that resonate with you, but in this example, I'm going to ask my agent to implement all these suggested changes and save it as a draft. And then you will see a summary of everything that's been implemented. When we make our way to pages, we can open the home draft page. And then we'll see the home page was rebuilt with a new Euro section, expanded service cards, a how it works section, a meet your coach bio, richer testimonials with client context, and a bold closing call to action. Next, I can go ahead and update the placeholder content with my own. You can even take it a step further by pasting a screenshot of a design you like. I found this really cool layout, so I'll go ahead and take a screenshot, return to my AI agent, paste the screenshot, and ask AI to recreate it and add it to the top of my homepage. It won't be an exact copy, but it gives you a strong starting point that you can shape and refine. It builds the layout using your theme's existing fonts, colors, and block styles. But you can also start fresh. If you are building a new site, you can ask your AI agent to generate a homepage for you. In this example, I will be using the Sankofa theme. And I will ask my AI agent to create a premium visual striking homepage with specific sections. Clear instructions lead to better results and help your AI agent avoid guesswork. It then created this beautiful homepage using my theme, so everything stays consistent with your site. It included all the sections I wanted, and now it's ready for me to customize and add my own content. In just a few prompts, you can take a homepage that needs work and turn it into something clearer, more structured, and easier to navigate, all while staying in control of the final result.